The GCC states have decided together to implement an excise tax on a common list of goods. The Federal Tax Authority will be responsible for administering excise tax and other federal taxes. This includes providing guidance, collecting excise, and conducting audits. But what is excise tax exactly? The excise tax is an indirect tax on specific products charged in the country where the goods are to be consumed. It is typically applied to products that are harmful to human health. Unlike VAT, which is charged at every stage of the supply chain, excise tax is only paid once. Excise tax is built into the price of the goods when it's sold on. The producer or manufacturer specifies a recommended retail price of the goods and calculates tax on this value. There may also be special rules in some cases. The following people will be required to pay the excise tax. Excise-registered businesses will have to file a tax return every month and pay the tax due to the FTA. In some cases, businesses will be able to delay the payment of excise tax by using a designated area, treated as outside the UAE for tax purposes. No tax will be due until the goods leave the designated zone. Anywhere can be a designated zone, as long as it meets requirements and is approved by the FTA. But a warehouse keeper needs to be appointed to be responsible for it. Will you be able to reclaim it? There will be a limited number of cases where a refund of excise tax will be given, usually only when the goods won't be consumed within the country. What about travellers? If you bring in a low value of excise goods to the UAE as a traveller, you won't have to pay excise tax. But if they exceed a certain value, you will. For further guidance, please contact the UAE Federal Tax Authority